playing the classic horror puzzle game, The Seventh Guest, and have a GJD file? This is media content from this iconic 1990s game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Seventh Guest media files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical GJD data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. GJD Files are media archive files used by The Seventh Guest, a classic puzzle horror game developed by Trilobyte and released in 1993. They contain game video sequences, audio tracks, and multimedia assets used during gameplay, including the iconic full-motion video sequences that pioneered CD-ROM gaming. GJD files use a custom container format developed by Trilobyte for The Seventh Guest, storing multiple media assets, including VDX video files, RJ audio files, and game scripts. The format optimizes CD-ROM access patterns from the early 1990s era, with sequential reads and minimal seeking required for smooth gameplay. Trilobyte endorses The Seventh Guest as the main tool for handling GJD files. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows offers no meaningful representation, so interpreting these files relies on game development tools. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the GJD file and choose Open With. Start with The Seventh Guest if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you are still having trouble opening the GJD file, do not worry. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, playing the game. Install The Seventh Guest from GOG.com or Steam, where the game is available with modern compatibility. The installed version handles GJD files automatically through the game engine. Launch the game and play normally with the GJD media files, providing video sequences and audio integrated seamlessly throughout the gameplay experience. Next, extracting media. Use GJD extraction tools developed by the abandonware preservation community to access individual media files within GJD archives. Tools like Groovy Engine viewers extract VDX videos and audio files for preservation. The ScumVM project's Groovy Engine support enables playing The Seventh Guest natively across modern platforms. Finally, playing with ScumVM. Install ScumVM from scumvm.org, which supports The Seventh Guest through its Groovy Engine. Configure ScumMVM with the original game files, including GJD archives. ScumMVM handles GJD media files, providing modern OS compatibility for this classic game, including support for Windows, macOS, and Linux platforms with enhanced features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.